Hello mathematicians. In this video, I can solve a 3-digit subtraction equation 3 different ways. Mathematicians, the first strategy we are going to go over is make a labeled sketch. Our equation is 76 minus 38 equals blank. To begin, I want to draw 76. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76. Now, I want to take away 3 tens. Cross off 1, 2, 3 tens. I still have to take away 8 ones. I only have 6 ones to take away. That means I have to turn one of my 10 sticks into 10 ones. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I can take away 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 5 ones and 3 ones left. 5 plus 3 equals 8 ones total. I also have 3 tens left. 3 tens is the same as 30. 30 plus 8 equals 38. This means 76 minus 38 equals 38. 38 is my answer. The second strategy we are going to cover in this video is add up to subtract on the number line. Our equation, once again, is 76 minus 38 equals blank. For the add up subtraction on the number line, I am going to turn my subtraction equation to an addition equation. 38 plus blank equals 76. Now I am ready to add on the open number line. Begin at 38, add 2, it brings me to 40, and now I have to skip count by tens until I reach 70. Ten, 50, another 10, 60, and another 10, 70. I am not at 76 yet. I need to add 6 more ones to 70 to get to 76. I'm going to make a hop of 5 to bring me to 75. One more to bring me to 76. The answer to 76 minus 38 is at the top of the open numbered line. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1 equals blank. 1, 2, 3 tenths, 30, 35, 37, 38. My answer is 38. 76 minus 38 equals 38. The final strategy we are going to learn today is subtract from the front end. Our equation is 76 minus 38 equals blank. I am going to write 76 minus 38 equals blank in the vertical form. 70 take away 30 equals 40. 70 take away 30 equals 40. Because I have 6 ones and 8 ones, in the ones place, I have to take away 8 ones from 6 ones. I need to borrow or take one of my 10s from the 40. Break apart 40 to 30 and 10 because 30 plus 10 equals 40. I am now going to add 10 to 6 to make 16. I know my doubles. 8 plus 8 equals 16. Therefore, 16 minus 8 equals 8. I have 30 and 8 left. 30 plus 8 equals 38. 38 is my answer. 76 minus 38 equals 38. Mathematicians, I can solve a 3-digit subtraction equation 3 different ways. Can you solve a 3-digit subtraction equation 3 different ways?